Everyone's talking about investment choices, but is India's love for gold holding its economy back? For centuries, gold has symbolized wealth and security. But today, economists argue that this obsession might be slowing growth, locking capital instead of fueling innovation and progress. So, what's the real story? Is gold a shield or a shackle for India's economy? Join the debate. Is the Indian economy suffering because of its fixation on gold? On 11th November 2025, Tuesday at 7 p.m. IST. Watch the instructor team face off against the sales team as they dig into the cultural roots, market realities, and financial impact of India's golden addiction. Don't just hold your opinion, weigh its true value, find out which side truly shines at dozen diamonds.